So,
What you wanna do?
I'm gonna chop up the onions.
Okay.
Okay? I'm gonna chop up the vegetables.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because anyways, it's gonna be really hard for me to chop in this small kitchen.
What do you think this shit's for? Like, what the fuck? What did you expect? Like, I assume this is, you have all these troubles in every building because.
No, in my building.
Like this, so you just had your shit just tailored to you and your tall ass?
My apartment is amazing.
Your apartment is amazing.
My bed.
Did
my
you tell
bed,
these
my
niggas to extend the ceiling? Because
No, I just look for things that are meant for me.
Oh, okay. What's up?
What are?
Listen, don't up the food.
Who you talking to like
I'm
that?
gonna be gone.
Who you talking to like that, shorty?
I'm gonna be gone for 2 minutes. Okay? I'm gonna be gone for 2
Who
minutes.
you talking to like that, shorty?